A private aircraft crashed on Tuesday at the Ghanipur airstrip in Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh. The pilot and 6 others evacuated in the nick of time, escaping with minor injuries. A relief and rescue team has reached the spot. Sources said that the aircraft was flying in from Delhi to Aligarh. It crashed during landing when it apparently touched a high-tension line. An inquiry has been ordered into the incident. Senior officials at the spot refused to comment. Honest report.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.